Good evening. Fiji experienced less than anticipated rain, especially about the south and east of the country, although Lambasa did report 49 millimeters in the last 24 hours to 9 a.m. today. We do expect rain to become heavy at times over the north and west later today and tonight, as severe tropical cyclone Pam to our west continues to slip southward tonight. At this very moment in time, our neighbors in Vanuatu are experiencing catastrophic winds, as Cyclone Pam, now one of the most destructive cyclones ever experienced in the South Pacific, passes very close by to their island nation. Category 5 severe tropical cyclone Pam is not only an extremely powerful cyclone but also a very large one, with its cloud structure clearly evident on the images here. Currently, Cyclone Pam is making its closest approach to Port Vila, the capital of Vanuatu, and at this time the center of the cyclone will stay around 150 kilometers or so offshore to the east. However, winds gusting to 200 kilometers per hour are likely as the cyclone passes by. At this time, the cyclone is also making its closest approach to Fiji, with the center of the cyclone about 800 kilometers to the west of NaDraki. The intense circulation surrounding the center of tropical cyclone Pam is clearly evident on the wind chart this evening. Fortunately, the worst of these winds will stay over ocean waters well to our west as the cyclone moves south. Northerly winds will shift northwesterly tomorrow and remain strong and gusty, especially about the north and west. Over the west, overcast with periods of rain heavy at times. Squally northwesterly winds. Local flash flooding is likely. The north can also expect periods of heavy rain at times with local flash flooding and squally northwesterly winds. Mostly cloudy with some showers about the central and eastern divisions. Fresh to strong and gusty northwesterly winds. As the low slips away to the southwest of us, winds will tend more northwest and then westerly later. Winds of 20 to 25 knots will continue over open waters, a little less about the southeast of Viti level, rough seas and swells. As Tropical Cyclone Pam starts to head away to the south tomorrow, we will see fresh to strong westerly winds across Fiji, bringing a few more showers over the weekend. Cyclone Nathan to the west remains active and will continue to be watched closely as it heads east into the Pacific towards the Solomon Islands and Vanuatu. There is a high risk of more cyclone activity to the east of us towards Tonga and Samoa once Pam moves away, so stay alert and keep up to date with all the latest weather information on our webpage www.nadraki.com or on our Facebook page. From the NaDraki and My TV team, good evening.